Bingo was his name. Oh. Thanks for watching my Digibird video. Just let you know they're very annoying if you forget to turn them off, like I just did. But yeah, this one is Rainbow Dash because I like My Little Pony, and there's nothing wrong with that people out there. Just because I'm not doesn't mean I'm not allowed. But this is Rainbow Dash. Gonna turn it off. Oh yeah, and once you get these toys, they already have the batteries in them, but they don't take regular batteries. They take like batteries that flashlights have. Yeah, so this one's actually, I really haven't named them. This is Shadow, cause like she has night and mostly on her wings, and yeah, just like the name Shadow. And I might want to turn her off. But yeah, the ones with cages are $15, and the ones without cages are $10. So yeah, right. That was my Digibird chorus. We did Happy Birthday, Jingle Bells, like the bridal song, like Here Comes the Bride. Like, yeah, we did Bingo. I think that was all we did. Yeah. But that was just for your information, if you want to know. Right. Bye. Please subscribe. I have like 0 subscribers. So yeah. But then the ones that have like 3 Digibirds in 1 pack, I think that's like $25. I just got these Digibirds today, so yeah. I was gonna pick out the 3-pack, but I didn't because I wanted one with a cage, and that was already $14.99, and I only had $25 to spend. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and you can, if you buy more than one, you can do a chorus choir. Like it says, you probably can't see it on this one. Here, let me get the other one. It says chorus choir right here. And don't throw these out that come with the cage or something. They'll come in the cage or either in the pack if you get 1 pack, or the 3-pack, it'll get 3. But make sure you use these because it's the whistle for like when you're doing the chorus choir. That's how you start them off. But you can't shut them up, literally. Like, you can't. You just have to like close your mouth for a while, but I don't do that because I'm afraid I'll break it. So yeah, but just like, so yeah, that's these to start it off with. They're Digibirds, not the other birds where you can like record your voice and they say it back, because that's just stupid. Well, they're both stupid, but it's a Christmas present, so yeah. Alright. Yeah. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.